Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy and fun water marble nail design. So I'm going to use this hot pink by Creative Play called Berry Shocking, this peach polish by Color Club called Hot 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 Pants, and white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out. So I'm going to apply the three colors into a regular cup of water. This is tap water, room temperature, nothing special about it. Play around with the different polishes to see which ones work well in water. And I have to tell you, Creative Play, I recently bought it at Sally's. They work so good in water. So if you have any questions about what's a good polish to use in water, Creative Play is one of them. I absolutely love it. It doesn't dry out fast. It's a really good polish. Now, once I was done applying the colors, I'm going to use my water marbling tool and I'm going to create an abstract design. I'm going to go back and forth with the tool and I'm going to do a spiral. I just thought the spiral was really cute. I liked how it looked. Kind of gave it a candy cane-ish design to it, but I liked how it came out. Then I'm going to slowly apply my finger into the design that I liked of the water marble, and I'm going to use my Q-tip to remove the polish. Make sure that you remove all the polish before you take your finger out or you'll ruin your design. And then I'm going to remove the liquid latex, clean around my nails, and apply a quick dry top coat. I hope that you like how I show you how to do water marbling. A lot of people get scared of it. Don't be scared. It's fun. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to do so many fun designs. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching.